thunderstorm warning for southern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northeastern Charles County in southern Maryland, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Marlow Heights, or near National Harbor, and was moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Camp Springs, Friendly, Andrews Air Force Base, Clinton, Marlton, Waldorf, St. Charles. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. This storm is producing frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move indoors immediately. The National Weather Service